Hey guys, I'm Marcus and I'm going to do a short review on the audio quality between the Jabra 510 and the Logitech C922 webcam. I know what you're thinking, he isn't even comparing two audio devices. True, however, if you're considering adding the 510 to your web conference set, this would be the way to do it. Now the Logitech C922 and the Jabra 510, they both go for around 120 euros as of today. Right, so currently I'm speaking through the microphone of the C922 webcam. So I'm going to walk away to see if there's going to be any difference in the audio quality as I walk away from the microphone. So now I'm actually around 3 meters from the webcam. So let's see how the quality increases as I close up to the webcam. So I'll switch to the Jabra 510. The sound is already different. Let's do the same thing. I'm just going to walk away and then we're going to see the quality, if the quality goes down as I walk away. So I'm about 3 to 4 meters away from the microphone, and then I'm going to come back again, and now I'm here again. So at the end, if you're sitting alone in front of your computer, there's not going to be a lot more increase in quality. But if you intend to move or have a lot of people over, they're sitting at the corners here, there might be an idea to buy the 510. But yet again, it's up to you guys to decide if you need it or want it. So this was the end of the video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Until next time.